In this video, we are going to learn how you can become an affiliate marketer. Let's get started. What's up YouTube? Welcome to this video. Today we are going to learn how you can earn great amount of money being an affiliate marketer. It doesn't matter whether you're a student, you're a housewife, or you're a working professional, all you need is a customer base. Now, when I say about a customer base, do you need to go out there and create a customer base? No. You already have these customer bases, but you don't know how to do a bit of smart work, which can give you quite good amount of money. Now, we all know everybody shops these days in the e-commerce platforms like Amazon, Flipkart, Myntra, and whatnot. So what you can do is exactly what we are going to talk in this video. If you're a college student, you have your friend circle. Everybody goes out there and purchase so many different kind of things from these e-commerce platforms, and you can utilize that to earn some free bucks. If you're a housewife, you have your friend circles. You can go out there, you know, things that you need also are required by your other friends, and you can be an affiliate marketer and earn some good money. If you're a working professional, you have corporate connections. You can actually make sales selling the same thing to the entire organizations that you're working for. So let's get started. So in order to become an affiliate marketer, the first step is to go into amazon.in and scroll all the way to the bottom of the page and click on the link which says become an affiliate. So once you click on the link, you can see a 3-step simple process, which is basically sign up, recommend, and earn. Now again, you need to go to the bottom of this website and again click on sign up. So if you're already an affiliate marketer with Amazon, you can enter your credentials over here. But in this case, we are going to create a new account. So click on create your new Amazon account. Now, once you've entered your credentials, your name, your email, you're going to click on create your Amazon account. Now, you would have received an OTP on your email ID. So you need to have quick access to your Gmail ID. So you want to go back to your Gmail and quickly check your OTP. So once you have entered your OTP, you would be redirected to a page wherein you need to enter your demographic information. Now, once you have entered your demographic information, all you need to do is go right to the bottom of the page, which has 2 questions, which is who is the main contact for this account? Obviously the payee listed above, which is going to be your information. And the second one is for US tax purposes. Are you a US person? The answer is no, and hit on next. Now, once you have done that, here is where the traffic to your affiliate link would be redirected. So this page is asking you whether you want to redirect your affiliate traffic from your website or your blog, or do you have a mobile app? Now, you would want to paste your website link over here. So now I'm in my website. I'm going to copy my website link and I'm going to go back to the affiliate page and paste it right over there. Now I'm going to hit on add, and you can see it getting added to the list of websites. Now you can have multiple such websites added onto your affiliate link. And now I'm going to hit on next. Now here I have the other profile information that I have to provide. So the first step is to mention a preferred associate store ID. So this can be any of your store IDs that you want to have as an affiliate marketer. In this case, I'm just going to keep it like my channel name. And then it's asking me what are your websites or mobile apps about. So simply I can add technology. And then the other links are asking that what are the topics that best describes your website. So there is a primary topic. I'm going to select computers and software and technology. And there is also a secondary topic that you can select. I'm just going to keep it at gaming. So once I've done that, the next link is about what type of Amazon items do you intend to sell or list on your websites. So I'm going to list computers and office and electronics in my website. So I'm just going to select this. You can select any other links or options that is more preferred to your usage. Now, the other option thereafter is what type your websites or mobile apps are about. It's going to be like a social media page or a group in my case. And also it can be any other things that you can list it. So it can be a content website, it can be a blog for your case. Just feel free to select the one which closely relates to your website. So I'm just going to keep it at blog. Now the other section is about traffic and monetization, which says how do I want to drive my traffic for monetizing my website. For YouTube, Instagram, or Facebook, what you need to select is social networks, or if you have a blog, you can select blogs. But in my case, I'm just going to keep it at social networks. Again, I have another question, which is like, how do you utilize your website and apps to generate income? You can just select on a primary and a secondary over here. For me, I'm just going to keep it any other affiliate programs, and you can select one which closely relates to your website. Now, the other question here is, how do you usually build links? If you're not sure about this, you can simply select other from this drop down. Thereafter, you have another question that how many unique visitors do you have? If you have an analytics run for your website or your mobile app, you can select a number 501 to 5000. That's an acceptable range, so you can just select whatever suits closely to your website. Now, after that, it's a generic question, which is what is the primary reason for you to join the Amazon Associates program? You can just select to monetize my site or any other options from the drop down. Now, how did you hear about us? Since you're watching this video, please like, share, and subscribe. So you can just mention online search. And thereafter, the last step is enter the CAPTCHA as provided by the website. Once you agree to the terms and conditions, click on finish. And there you have your Amazon affiliate ID created. So you can see that the previous step wherein you mentioned your Amazon Associate Store ID is right about there on your screen, and it is suffixed with naming convention that Amazon uses. The next important step here is to go and enter your payment information or your banking information or your tax information. Now you're going to click on later, maybe if you want to configure it later, or you can click on now if you just want to take a look. So here you would be required to enter your password, which you just used while creating your affiliate link. Now, once you enter your credentials, you would see that Amazon actually tells that it is going to transfer money to your bank account once you've earned a minimum of 1000 rupees. So you're going to click on this link and you're going to get the banking information fields wherein you have to provide your bank information. Now, here is your account created with the Amazon affiliate page. Now, you can always update your payment information. Just remember to update it before the 15th of every month. And if it is after 15th, it's going to only be in effect in the next month. So now the most important part is you want to add an affiliate link for any of the products from Amazon. Click on a new tab and open the Amazon.in website once again. Now, once you do that, you can go and search for any product of your choice. For our example, I'm going to search Logitech G102 mouse. Now, here I see that this is a legit product. It is having about 4.5 stars and 9,000 units of this item has been sold. So this is a legit inventory, and I'm going to click on that. Once you click on this item, you can see to the top left of your screen, there is a bar which says get link for a text or an image or a text plus image. Now, once you click on the text, you would see that here is your affiliate link, which you need to paste onto your website or your YouTube page. So you're going to copy this from here and directly go to your YouTube and open any of the videos, and under the description, you can just paste it. So as you can see, this is a video which I have, and if you go to the description, these are some of the affiliate links which is already available as a part of the video. Now, that's how easily you can be an affiliate marketer within a couple of minutes. We need your support to grow, so if you enjoyed this video, do smash the like and subscribe button and follow for more. Stay tuned and bye for now.